What's up, guys? It's Akko Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. I made it known to us yesterday that Bitcoin is most likely going to bounce from here. So obviously, yesterday this was definitely what I showed us, and as you can see, we are most likely, we found a bottom. Sorry, should I say we found a support? The support we really needed. You could see clearly right here that Bitcoin has been, you could see clearly right here that whenever we come in contact with this resistance, we get rejected from there. We come in contact with this resistance, we get rejected. Sorry about that. Whenever we come in contact with this resistance right here, we always get rejected. You could see how many times we've kind of made contact with this level until we finally broke out of this resistance right here. And you could see it clearly, even at the support level, we've actually like made major contact with these zones or this level. So this is definitely one of the things I've got my eyes on. You could see we've been consolidating within this range, trying to break out, and right now we've gotten the breakout we needed. So you could see clearly right here that this is definitely how we've been rolling, and you could see we finally broken out from this level right here. We broke out, found support around here. You could see we are about to send. Now, in terms of what should be the price target for this particular breakout right here, if you watch my previous video, you definitely know the price target I actually give to us. And right now, with the look of things, it seems like our price target is most likely going to be $78,000. So without even wasting much of our time, we could see clearly right here that 78,700 is most likely going to be the first take profit for for this Bitcoin move right here. So I think this is definitely what we need to know, most especially. Yes, maybe we could, I don't know if we are going to be dropping below. We've most likely grabbed some kind of liquidity to the downside in a way. The only way things might get ugly is if we end up breaking below this support right here, retesting 66 and dumping much lower, then things will get ugly. But for now, things are looking good. Now, from this other chart right here, we could see clearly that sorry about this, I don't know if this is definitely what I want to show us. Sorry about that. Nope. This is definitely not what I'm here to show. Yeah, so we could see clearly right here that from this chart, Bitcoin is already finding a major ground right here. It's finding the major ground one way or another. So if I should take all of this away from here to avoid major distraction or to keep the chart from being noisy, you could see clearly right here that also here we've kind of found support around here. You could see if I should extend this around here, you could see we have found major support right now, and Bitcoin is most likely going to be rallying this coming week. So this coming week is going to be a bullish week for Bitcoin. You are hearing it from this channel. I can say, okay, yes, it's either we do this or we do that, but at the end of the day, I'm always giving us what I think is most likely going to be the case scenario, or what is most likely going to happen. So for this week, I think, or I know, there is a high chance of Bitcoin rallying, because the moment Bitcoin is able to break below this area of support right here, especially around this level at $64,000, that is when I will have to consider it a no-no, because I've actually set stop loss on my long-term Bitcoin position. So I actually put $64,000 as where it will be exiting, in order for Bitcoin to probably, I don't know, when it wants to dump finally, it will be breaking below that level. But I do know for sure that $65,000, it should definitely be a level where Bitcoin should not be breaking from. So with the look of things right here, we've kind of found support, and you could see from my previous chart, I made it known so that we are most likely going to be finding support around this level right here. You could see we've kind of found that support, and the look of things, 78,000 is most likely going to be where we'll be rallying to. So that is definitely very good. But let's not also forget the fact that from the long-term chart right here, we could see clearly right here that Bitcoin is, from the monthly time frame right here, Bitcoin is still doing very well, in the sense that we are still above this level at $65,000, which is very, very good. And we could also see that from the long-term analysis right here, we have a major support right here waiting for us at 58,900 for Bitcoin. And worst case scenario, we could see Bitcoin dumping all the way down to, if we're not going to be finding support at 46,000, because this is also where I'll also be adding more to my position. If we're not going to see Bitcoin finding support at 46,000, worst case scenario, we are most likely going to see Bitcoin dumping into this level at probably 32, 35,000 dollars, because as you can see, this yellow line right here, this yellow trend line right here is also serving as a support. So we could end up seeing Bitcoin dropping much lower than we expected. So we could see a pullback all the way into 35,000 dollars before we could rally much higher, and I'll definitely be here to accumulate a whole lot of this Bitcoin. So thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.